Want to watch local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox on the go? The Spectrum TV app makes it easy. First, download the Spectrum TV app on your iOS, Android, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Smart TV. Once installed, log in with your Spectrum account credentials. Then, navigate to the Guide tab within the app. Here, you can filter channels specifically by local channels or directly search for the station you want, such as CBS. The channel numbers will match your traditional cable lineup, like Channel 2 for NBC. Remember, a Spectrum TV subscription and a stable internet connection, at least 10 Mbps for HD, are required. Standalone internet-only plans may require an add-on for local channels, typically around $5 a month. If you can't find local channels, double-check your subscription or contact Spectrum support for assistance via their AI chatbot. The Spectrum TV app's built-in channel guide is your key to navigating local programming. It's interactive, providing schedules, descriptions, and even personalized recommendations. The guide syncs across your devices, allowing you to set recordings to your cloud DVR, which offers up to 100 hours of free storage. Keep an eye out for enhanced features like personalized recommendations and voice search via Alexa Google Assistant. While offline viewing is limited, on-demand content from some local channels may be available for download. Spectrum is continually enhancing its app, with recent updates focused on improved streaming quality, aiming for up to 4K resolution on select devices. If you're in a rural area with limited local channel availability, explore Spectrum's potential Local Anywhere feature, if available, which may offer satellite fallback options. Staying updated with the app ensures you're maximizing your access to local broadcasts wherever you are.